Begin with breaking news from northern Platte County, scene of a big wildfire. Good evening, everybody. I'm Chris Katz.
And I'm Laura Moritz. It is near Bean Lake and the Iatan power plant. Crews say the fire has now been contained. KMBC9's Peyton Headley is north of that area, and Peyton, evacuations were in place earlier this afternoon.
That's right, and one of the reasons that this fire spread so quickly was because of the wind. I want to show you just how windy it is. If you kick up even just a little dust, you can see how quickly the wind takes it, and that made it a very dangerous fire. You can see just past me here quite a bit of smoke, but we are told now by the Buchanan County Sheriff that the fire is contained. We also know that 45 here to the right of us is closed right now. It will stay closed for a little bit longer as firefighters continue battling hot spots in this fire. That wind picking up again. It's going to be a big battle for them as the evening goes on. Now we know at least one firefighter was treated for smoke inhalation. That is what the Buchanan County Sheriff said from about an hour and a half ago. We also know that nearly 12 jurisdictions were on scene fighting this fire, as well as EMS to help any of those firefighters that may have been battling smoke inhalation as well. And like Laura mentioned, Missouri Highway Patrol was also on scene to help with evacuations in the area. It is a very rural area, though, as you can tell, a lot of dirt roads, people trying to navigate these road closures right now. But again, we do know the fire is mostly contained. That's from the Buchanan County Sheriff, and 45 will stay closed as the night goes on. But again, very windy conditions, and they'll continue to battle those hot spots tonight. Live in Platte County, Peyton Headley, KMBC 9 News.